Welcome back. Welcome to our class again. Speaking partner with me, Bro Dwi, as always become your best partner. This is about day 4, teman-teman. Let's discuss about natural disaster. Nah, gengs, natural disaster nowadays that's about rainy season ya, rainy season. And few weeks ago or few months ago, like there is like big issue in Indonesia. That's about mega trust. Nah, maybe some of you really often listen about mega trust, but maybe some of you don't know what is mega trust, bro. Megatrust is one of the big earthquake in Indonesia will happen katanya gitu ya teman-teman ya. Their perspective that Indonesia is one of ring fire, and so that's why megatrust will happen in Indonesia. But we don't know exactly when and where. We don't know exactly. So let's discuss about natural disaster alias bencana alam teman-teman. Nah,
Hmm.
gengs, when we talk about a natural disaster atau bencana alam, teman-teman, what about in your area? Is
Hmm.
there any natural disaster in your area, guys? Pernah
Yes,
ada?
in my house.
Yeah.
What is that? What is that?
Look,
Flood.
earthquake.
Ada earthquake, ada flood.
Flood.
Okay, nah, so this picture relate with your area ya, Mugi. Bro, I got flood, bro. Nah, ini dia teman-teman ya. So, what natural disaster is this? Of course, this is about flood alias banjir ya teman-teman ya. Nah, gengs, special
Disaster.
in this rain season. Ini sekarang lagi rainy season ya,
Hujan.
musim hujan teman-teman ya. So I think
Hmm.
that we ever got flood in this season. Jadi pasti kita pernah apa banjir ya di waktu musim hujan ini. What about in your area, guys? Yuk, raise your hand when your area got flood in this season. Yang di musim hujan kali ini dapat banjir, ada nggak?
Enggak.
Nggak ada.
Enggak ada.
Oh, alhamdulillah kalau nggak ada. What about in the past, teman-teman? Di masa lalu, have you ever got flood in your area in the past? Oke, Laode Abdullah Rahman, brother Laode.
Yes,
Which
good
area, brother?
evening.
Which area?
In Sulawesi.
Oh, in
Musuh.
Sulawesi. Can
Yeah.
you tell a little bit about flood in that moment when this flood happened?
The history is 1 years ago. Uh, it's like a regular, like a disaster. Yeah, every years must to what we wanna say. Banjir.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, so it's kind of be like a regular disaster that every
Yeah.
year in your
Right.
area got flood.
Yeah. Flood every years
Mhm.
because uh, uh, like weather. If
Mhm.
Itu berapa tuh
last
lagi?
year and start to early years, disaster will coming like
Mm.
this picture.
Mhm. Nah, what about flood height in your area, brother? Ketinggian banjirnya. What about this?
Um, Average and the maximal around 20 centimeter until 50 centimeter is wanna make me busy. Yes,
Hmm, I
like
see.
that maybe.
Around 30 centimeter lah ya.
Yes.
Oke.
Every last years and early start to early years disaster is will coming around yes 3 day until 3 day until 4 days. Yeah,
Oke.
we must like
You must prepare, brother, because this
Yeah,
kind of like
prepare and
regular
must be
every
happy.
year. You must prepare about your condition.
Yeah,
Oke, thank you so
like
much ya,
happy.
Brother Laude in
Thank you, bro. Yeah,
Sulawesi
yeah,
ya, in
yeah.
Sulawesi, Brother Laude Place. That's about natural disaster flood around 30 centimeter. What about Sisekar Ayu? Which area Sisekar Ayu?
I live in Jakarta, bro,
Okay.
and I live in East Jakarta. The Jakarta is frequently experience flooding, even with minimal rainfalls. Biasanya my residential are frequently experience flooding due to the river's higher elevation than the roads. Jadi sungainya tuh lebih tinggi dari jalanan.
Waduh.
That's why sering ada banjir.
Oke, what about the flood height? Ketinggian banjirnya?
It's around the flood water typically reach a depth of 30 centimeter.
Oh, 30, similar like Brother Laude before ya, 30
Yes,
centimeter. Okay, I see, I see. This is kind of like every year si Sekar Ayu.
almost every year.
Almost.
Jakarta is udah langganan.
Oke, siap. Ya wes. So you must prepare ya si Sekar Ayu ya.
Yes.
Okay, so teman-teman ya, I believe that in the big city like Jakarta, maybe in Sulawesi, part of Sulawesi like this one, when the temperature of was it rain like this one, sometimes the intensity of rain really high. Nah, so I think that you get the flood. Even this is only in the small heights like this one, at the deep like this one, only 20 centi, 30 centi, but this kind of like impact ya gengs ya. We have a big impact about that. Nah, after we know about the flood teman-teman, nah what about this guys? What natural disaster is this?
Tsunami. I think
Yes,
in Aceh.
tsunami. Like example, this is about in Aceh ya teman-teman ya, because
Yes.
this is kind of like the biggest tsunami in Indonesia. Nah, but actually there are some tsunami ya after in Aceh ya, after in Aceh like in Jogja, in Sulawesi also we have tsunami. Nah, guys, have you ever got tsunami in your area? Ada nggak yang pernah dapat tsunami di areanya teman-teman?
Enggak ada.
Alhamdulillah never.
Alhamdulillah,
Ah,
never.
Alhamdulillah
Alhamdulillah.
never.
Alhamdulillah never.
Alhamdulillah.
Siap.
Jeffrey tahu tsunami, bro.
Yes, betul. Jadi teman-teman, alhamdulillah ya, our area never got tsunami, and we hope and we wish we never got tsunami also. Nah, teman-teman, imagine that this picture ya happen ya. Imagine aja nih, gengs ya. What will you do, gengs, when tsunami happen after tsunami like this one? What will you do, gengs? Apa yang teman-teman akan lakukan ketika misalnya you got tsunami like this picture?
Go run.
Go run. Okay, go run. Maybe you go to another city.
Go run so fast.
Go run so fast. Go to another city maybe. Pergi
Move
ke kota
to
lain barangkali.
Yes,
Move
Padang
to another city.
to the safe city.
Yeah.
To save
For
city,
now,
betul.
my preparation for tsunami, I want to make my home in the hill.
Oh, in
Now
the
I still
hill.
prepare. Yes.
Bagus. That's nice idea ya.
Yes.
We quickly
Okay.
move to higher ground when flood hit.
Okay, we move to higher ground when the
Yes.
flood coming. Oke, bagus. Nah, jadi teman-teman ya, there are was it preparation that we can use it ya. For the first katanya Brother Laude adalah move to the high ground in the hill katanya. Make the house in the hill. Bikin rumahnya di atas bukit katanya. And we can move to high ground. Boleh juga ya teman-teman ya. Oke, gengs. This is about natural disaster ya teman-teman ya, and really sad about this picture. Sangatlah menyedihkan di waktu lalu ya teman-teman ya. Last time we have what was it? Kind of like anniversary ya teman-teman ya. About 20 years ago tsunami happened ya in last December. Desember lalu ya, peringatan 20 tahun tsunami happened in
2014.
reflection like this one. Nah, teman-teman, when we talk about natural disaster ya, gengs ya. Nah, so we have some common natural disaster. Apa bencana alam yang umum yang bisa kita temukan ya, gengs ya. And not only about in Indonesia but also another country. Mungkin di luar negeri juga banyak nih, gengs. Nah, so like example for the first we have tornado. Coba bareng-bareng kita ucapkan ya, teman-teman ya. Tornado. Yes, tornado. Last time, last year ya, in Indonesia, we have the first tornado in Bandung katanya ya. But do you know what is tornado? Tornado itu apa sih teman-teman?
Tornado apa? Angin.
Angin ya. Angin kencang.
Angin
The
puting
wind is high rotation wind moving in like a round.
In the air,
Oh,
high
big,
rotation
big.
movement in the air. Good. Nah, actually teman-teman, a tornado in Indonesia we can say angin puting beliung. Betul. Nah, jadi in Indonesia we over heard about this angin puting beliung menerjang. Nah, actually this is tornado, gengs ya. Tapi yang terlihat di kamera baru kemarin yang di Bandung. Tapi sebenarnya jauh-jauh sebelum itu sudah banyak gitu tornado-tornado yang lainnya. But we never know it. Oke, after we know about tornado alias apa ini namanya tadi? Puting beliung ya di
beliung.
Indonesia. And the next one ada yang namanya blizzard. Coba bareng-bareng ya, blizzard.
Blazer.
Betul, blizzard yaitu adalah
Blazer.
nggak tahu.
Blazer.
Blizzard itu adalah
Badai salju.
badai, betul, badai salju. Betul, jadi badai tapi salju turun. Nah, itu teman-teman. That we can say blizzard. Next, after we know about blizzard, the next one ada yang namanya tremor. Everybody say tremor. Betul, tremor. Yaitu adalah apa guys? Tremor.
Gempa.
Oke, teman-teman. Benar, Sis Fitri Sundari menggema speakernya.
Oh. Oke, bro.
Oke, thank you. Nah, jadi teman-teman kalau tremor ini lebih tepatnya adalah getarannya atau efek dari gempa. Kalau gempa sendiri, ya gempanya sendiri, gengs, itu adalah earthquake. Nah, coba bareng-bareng guys, earthquake. Betul. Nah, jadi teman-teman earthquake itu adalah gempanya. Nah, jadi kind of like misalkan ya, gempa di mana yang dekat di Jogja kemarin kan ada tuh ya, last year gempa di Jogja. That's really impact around them. Nah, so that's about earthquake. Jadi itu adalah pusatnya earthquake. Tapi, nah, sampai Kediri ya, sampai Pare
Gempa di Sumatera.
itu ada getarannya, kerasa, gengs. Nah, kalau di Indonesia kita nyebutnya apa ya? Orang Jawanya lindu. Kalau orang Sunda lini. Nah, itulah yang dinamakan tremor. Itu teman-teman. Jadi earthquake itu gempanya yang besar. Kalau tremor itu adalah getarannya. Nah, atau efeknya gitu ya teman-teman ya. Kalau di orang Jawa lindu, nggak tahu kalau di tempatnya teman-teman ya. That's about tremor ya. Next, teman-teman, ada yang namanya storm. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Storm. Storm.
Storm.
What
Storm.
is
Storm.
storm? Apa itu storm?
It's
Storm.
badai.
Betul. Storm itu adalah badai. Nah, jadi badai itu adalah storm ya teman-teman ya. Apapun ya. Windstorm, nah, rainstorm. Nah, itu juga ada.
Flood.
Next, yaitu adalah flood. Everybody say flood.
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 As
Flood.
far as we know, tadi
Banjir.
flood yaitu adalah
Banjir.
betul.
Banjir.
Banjir itu adalah flood. And the next one teman-teman yaitu ada tsunami. Apa teman-teman?
Tsunami.
Tsunami.
Nah, jadi geng, tsunami tetap aja tsunami ya teman-teman ya. Jadi nggak usah ditranslate tsunami apa bro? Ya nama itu, nama big wave ya, gelombang besar. That's about tsunami teman-teman. Next, we have drought. Coba bareng-bareng ya, drought.
Drought.
Drop.
Drought.
Drop. Drop.
Nah,
Drop.
walaupun tulisannya drought ya teman-teman ya, tapi bacanya adalah drought. Nah,
Drought.
what is the meaning drought? Does anyone knows drought? What is that?
Kekeringan. Kekeringan.
Betul, Sis Ririn. Jadi teman-teman, drought itu adalah musim kekeringan atau musim panas berkepanjangan. Nah, itu adalah drought. Kan few few months ago ketika musim panas terjadi kan pernah tuh ya. Musim panas aja itu summer, tapi kalau musim panasnya berkepanjangan sampai sungai-sungai kering, sumur-sumur kering, itulah yang dinamakan drought.
Drop.
Drought.
Drop.
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 Next, ada yang namanya hurricane. Everybody say hurricane.
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 What is hurricane, guys?
Badai.
Angin topan.
Betul. Jadi teman-teman kalau hurricane ini adalah topan. Kalau tadi tornado itu angin puting beliung, kalau hurricane ini adalah topan. Next, ada yang namanya thunder. Everybody say thunder.
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 Thunder, yaitu adalah
Halilintar.
Tir.
Thunder.
keluarganya Ata ya.
Halilintar.
Iya, ini halilintar ya teman-teman. Thunder ya.
Iya, tadi ada
Next,
tuh.
selanjutnya ada forest fire. Apa teman-teman?
Forest
Fire.
Forest fire.
Nah, kalau
fire
forest
itu
fire, what is the meaning forest fire?
Kebakaran hutan.
Kebakaran hutan.
Betul, forest fire adalah
Kebakaran, ya.
kebakaran hutan. But
Bakaran.
I think teman-teman, forest fire
Nggak
is not cause of human. Cause of disaster, but this is cause of
Forest
human.
fire apa? Kebakaran.
Jadi kalau kebakaran hutan kayaknya bukan natural disaster ya, manusia ini yang sebabnya. Nah, tapi it's okay lah ya teman-teman ya. Impact-nya dari natural disaster ya. Mungkin in the big forest like this one. Nah, alhamdulillahnya few years ago ya teman-teman ya, around 2 or 3 years ago, we don't get big forest fire. Adalah kebakaran hutan tapi nggak sampai kayak di Riau kayak dulu ya teman-teman ya.
Iya.
Jadi alhamdulillahnya ada tapi kecil-kecil aja. Masih bisa tertangani lah. Next, after forest fire yaitu adalah heat wave. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Heat wave.
Heat wave.
Heat
Heat
wave.
wave.
Betul.
Heat wave.
Nah, heat wave yaitu adalah
Gelombang panas.
Gelombang panas.
betul. Jadi teman-teman, heat wave itu adalah gelombang panas. Nah, similar like in India ya, last summer. Kalau di Indonesia kemarin ada summer ya.
Heat
Tapi kalau di
wave
India
itu
that's gonna be
gelombang
like big heat wave. Jadi gelombangnya super duper panas, gengs. The temperature around 40 something ya, sampai 40 sekian derajat Celcius. Nah, maybe when you heard about the news ya, kalau teman-teman nonton berita kayak gitu ya, few months ago ya, beberapa bulan yang lalu, pertengahan tahun kalau nggak salah, India got heat wave. Nah, itu dia teman-teman, until
Heat
pass
wave.
away. Some people pass
Gelombang
away.
panas.
Ada beberapa orang
Heat
yang
wave.
meninggoy di sana karena kepanasan, gengs.
Heat
Okay,
wave.
that's about heat wave. And the next one ada blackout. Everybody say blackout.
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 Blackout. Blackout.
Nah, what is
Blackout.
blackout? Ayo, apa itu blackout?
Mati lampu.
Betul.
Pemadaman listrik.
Mati
Pemadaman.
listrik, mati lampu, pemadaman. Nah, actually this is not a natural disaster,
Natural
but this is
disaster.
real
Yeah.
our
But ini
disaster. Karena
Maybe
semuanya
effect of
sekarang
effect.
karena sekarang semuanya pakai listrik ya. Our handphone pakai listrik, television pakai listrik, komputer pakai listrik. So that's why blackout it will be disaster for us, for human. Nah, nggak bisa ngapa-ngapain kalau nggak ada listrik ya. Jadi
Listrik, iya.
kembali ke zaman
Blackout.
batu ya. That's about blackout, teman-teman. Nah, maybe blackout because of disaster juga bisa, ya kan? Habis tornado, pohon-pohon tumbang, akhirnya tiang listriknya juga jatuh. Nah, that's cause of disaster ya, teman-teman ya.
Yes.
Oke, good, teman-teman. The next, ada yang namanya volcano. Everybody say volcano.
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 Betul, volcano, yaitu adalah
Letusan
Gunung
gunung
berapi.
Gunung meletus ya?
gunung Merapi meletus.
betul. Jadi teman-teman, volcano ini adalah gunung
Volcano.
berapi. Tapi kalau
gunung
bro, gunung berapinya meletus itu namanya eruption.
Oh.
Betul. Jadi eruption
Eruption.
itu adalah
Eruption.
gunungnya meleduk kayak gitu ya. Tapi kalau gunung berapinya aktif sih, tapi nggak meleduk, itu namanya volcano.
Oh iya, ada.
Mm-mm. Next, ada yang namanya damage. Everybody say damage.
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 Nah, kalau damage yaitu adalah
Hancur.
Ya.
rusak.
Kerusakan.
Kerusakan.
Yes, kerusakan itu adalah damage ya,
Kerusakan.
teman-teman ya.
Damage.
Dan ada juga namanya destroy. Everybody say destroy.
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 Nah, kalau
Destroy.
destroy, what is destroy?
Kehancuran.
Hancur.
Betul,
Hancur.
hancur. Nah, jadi kalau damage itu masih rusak aja, tapi kalau destroy hancur, teman-teman.
Destroy. Hancur.
This is about some vocabularies ya, gengs ya, based on natural disaster. Nah, teman-teman bisa menggunakan beberapa vocabularies ini for practice like usual. Kita akan praktis seperti biasa, teman-teman. Coba diperhatikan. What kind of disaster are common in your country? Berarti di Indonesia ya, gengs ya. Kira-kira teman-teman, bencana alam yang umum terjadi di Indonesia, kira-kira apa saja? Nanti teman-teman tolong di-explain ya, apa saja yang di Indonesia sering terjadi. The second question, are you prepared for a disaster? Teman-teman mempersiapkan nggak dalam bencana alam kayak gitu? And how? Kalau misalkan mempersiapkan, how? Gimana? Terus, have you ever been injured because of disaster? Teman-teman pernah nggak terluka karena disaster? Entah itu ketusuk paku waktu lari-lari, entah itu kejatuhan genteng, barangkali kalau gempa. Nah, that's kind of like injured ya teman-teman ya. Terus, if you had the power to stop a natural disaster that would happen in the future, which would you choose? Seandainya teman-teman mempunyai kekuatan untuk menghentikan bencana alam yang akan terjadi di masa depan, kira-kira teman-teman pengen memiliki kekuatan apa? Menghentikan waktu kah? Atau apa? Mengangkat apa? Barang-barang dengan gampang? Superpower kayak Superman? Bisa terbang atau ngapain? Membantu evakuasi atau ngapain? And why? Give your reason. Kita berandai-andai ya. Terus, what can you do to prepare for flood? Apa yang teman-teman bisa lakukan untuk mempersiapkan banjir? Nah, ini apalagi musim hujan, so some of areas in Indonesia we got a flood. Mungkin tempatnya teman-teman nggak dapat banjir, tetangga desa, tetangga kota. Nah, itu ya. So, prepare for floodnya ngapain and how? Terus, Have you ever experienced an earthquake? Teman-teman punya pengalaman nggak dalam hal gempa bumi? Nah, mungkin no bro, I never got earthquake, but tremor. Nah, kayak di tempatnya Bro Dwi ya, di kampung Inggris pernah dapatnya tremor doang. Alhamdulillahnya, nggak pernah dapat earthquake. Alhamdulillah ya, gengs ya. Nah, mungkin seperti itu. Boleh ya nanti diceritakan. Oke, teman-teman, yuk let's practice answer this question. Tolong dijawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini di breakout room. Kalau mau di screenshot boleh, kalau mau di foto boleh, tapi yang jelas di modul sudah ada. Gitu, teman-teman. Oke, are you ready everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
I'm ready.
Oke, yes,
Yes,
yuk,
I am.
I'm ready.
It
Yuk,
can
teman-teman.
be
Listen,
background.
please be active. Tolong selalu aktif ya teman-teman ya. And please guys, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Klik tombol join atau bergabungnya teman-teman.